Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading, and I just wanted to go over our trades for today. We have a new indicator, which is absolutely superlative, and I wanted to show it to you. It's really an indicator that demonstrates when the market is in a consolidating. In and of itself, it doesn't have a lot of meaning. Just like a lot of our entries, you have to put them in the context of market structure, price action, indicator analysis. But you can see we have a channel that's created here. Now it prints on a fourth candle and will print as far out as it goes. And what we're looking for is a market that consolidates into the modified 15. When it does, up we go. Now, today I missed an enormous number of trades. I missed this long on a channeling trade, and you can see that this candle engulfed the previous two. That is a very, very powerful engulfing candle, and this was an easy 27 tick trade that occurred at 9:36. Now we've got channels here, but remember we're looking for channeling into support or resistance. And here's where we get it, right here. We channel right into support here, and up we go. And then we still have our wonderful entry here for a really nice profit. Again, of 26 ticks. I missed all these trades today. So just really, really, shame on me for this. I did get some nice trades, but these were. Now the MA diff was only 15. This was definitely a trade that should have been taken. Now there's a channel. This is a little bit off the modified 15. You don't want to take this trade long. It's way overbought, and that's the end. So look at these trades. 26 ticks. 15 ticks. 27 ticks. That's all we needed today on gold. Those three trades. Excuse me for I'm the only one in the office right now, and everybody seems to call over and over again. Now crude, maybe the same thing again. You see I went over this with everyone in the room, and so I have a lot of lines on the chart. But no, this was too early. Here's a channeling or consolidating market right into support. Now this was at 8:01. We don't open the room till 8:15. This trade went 61 ticks. Now this also had order flow, momentum, background bias, and it had everything you wanted in a trade. That one trade, if you're trading that early in the morning, is enough to end your day. Now, a lot of people pointed this trade out. It was a little aggressive because the 50 was red and the 15 was below the 50. Now I took this trade. It was the break, the retracement, and the move down, and it went 5 ticks for a first target. Then the same trade I took, and these are aggressive trades without background bias. They both had order flow and momentum, and this one just reversed. It went, let's see how many ticks it went here. Yeah, it didn't go enough at all. It went 2 ticks. Now then I took this break of the 50 and the 15 with background bias and order flow and momentum right here, and the trade pushed up 5. Then I took this move up, the retracement, and up for 11. But there's the channel right here. There's support. Here's resistance. Up. Another trade. $19. Now, this was just a trade that I missed. I missed so many trades today. 18 ticks. They have everything on this trade. Now, you do have a pivot, but you have background bias, order flow, momentum. It's right off the support. I mean, this is a perfect trade. What more can you do here? I'm telling you. Here was another trade. You could have taken it here. You wouldn't have been stopped out. Get the move up. You would have taken the retracement here. Just an enormous number of trades. I mean, it's ghastly. 34 ticks. Now that's overbought. Now I took this trade up, retracement, went up for 14. And there's another one. Now we close the room, but you can see we go up, down. We have a little bit of a channel. The fourth candle creates it. Here's the first, second, third, and fourth. So we're moving sideways into support, and up you go. Even this small channel here, right off support, was enough to give you a small winner, even though you're way overbought. 7 ticks, tiny winner. What can I say? It's an unbelievable indicator. And what we're going to do is we're going to alarm it, and we're going to remove natural gas, which has been a terrible, actually, distraction. Just having to watch it. Now, on the Russell, it's really the same thing. Just a day of miss trades. That was a beautiful break in the 50. Now, this was a hard retracement to take because you don't have order flow, you don't have momentum, and you don't have background bias. So even though it went a long way on the right edge, this is probably a short I would have stayed away from. But this initial break is a great trade. Now, you can't take this trade to the upside. But there you go. There's the channel. There's the move into the 15. Up you go for 32. There it is again. And up you go. Now this time, this break to the downside has order flow and momentum. Now the room's closed here. This would have given us a huge trade to the downside. Now we had our 5th winner, so we quit. So you can see all the missed trades I had today. There had to be 10 trades I missed today. Maybe I need a vacation. Don't know. Now on the ES, same thing. Break of the 50. Both the ES and Russell collapsed. Here's your continuation short with order flow and momentum, which I missed. And those all would have. That's the one losing signal I've seen in the whole day on 5 markets. The move up, the retracement, order flow and momentum with you. On the ES, this would have been a loser. And here's the retracement, move up, retracement, beautiful trade. Move up. Now you have background bias, order flow, momentum, up you go. on the ES. That's a huge trade. $18 ticks, 4.5 points. Now I took this trade and it went 1.5 points. These breaks and continuations just didn't work. It took a -6. Today should have been a perfect day. We made 20 bucks today, and I'll show you how I did. We missed a lot of great trades. I mean, just really pathetic. I had 7 trades, 5 winners and 2 losers. On seal, I had 14 ticks, 1 off at 5, 1 off at 10, 1 off at 5. 11, 1 contract off at 5, 1 off at 10, 1 off at 2 ticks. Couldn't get a runner. Then I had +5, 1 off at 5 and 2 off at 0. +5, 1 off at 5, 2 off at 0. It's only a $50 trade. It's not much. And then I had that 1 loss for 10 ticks. On the S at +6, 2 off at 3, 1 off at 4, 1 off at 2. And then I had the loser. Net ticks were 25. Net equity was just $20. Auto trader was no trade so far. So a very, very easy day to trade and make a ton of money and just a lot of mistrades. So we're going to alert that the channel, and we're going to trade off that channel quite a bit, and it's just a fabulous, fabulous signal. The best signal I've ever seen on any trading chart in existence. And and what we're doing is we're catching the market in a period of consolidation as it moves directly into support or resistance. And once it does, it's going to break in the direction of the trend, and almost always does. So 7 trades, 5 winners and 2 losers, net equity of $20. Not a great day on April Fool's, but many, many, many opportunities today to trade. All right, everyone, listen, we encourage you to come into the room and sign up for a free trial. We made over $5,000 last month in net equity. Sign up for a free trial to our live trading room. Go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you'll see a link to our daily net equity in the trading room, our link to our daily net equity for our ES Auto Trader, a link to our daily net equity on our gold, crude, and Russell Auto Trader. You'll see the link for the free trial and a contact us page link. And you can email us directly at info@rightlinetrading.com or call us at 1-855-765-6681. We really, really had just the potential for a stellar day, which we just did not, or I didn't monetize. Actually, there were many traders in the room that got a lot of the trades. I just didn't get them. And when you learn the system, you're going to be able to see them, have these trades on your chart, and take them, whether I do or not. So listen, everyone, have a great afternoon, and I hope to see everyone in the trading room.